Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. We're going to go over the details here pretty quickly, but you can pause the video to read them. This provides 10 watts of power. This is from Belkin. It's the Boost Up wireless charging stand. You can put the phone, incidentally this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G. You can put it in this orientation, vertical or horizontal, portrait or landscape mode, and it wirelessly charges either way. Comes with a thinner charging adapter right here. It's not so bulky, which we like very much. This can charge up iPhone 10s, iPhone 11 Pro Maxes, Galaxies like this one is, other QI enabled devices, so your headphones, you can pretty much put anything that can take QI wireless charging on this. Has a maximum of 10 watts like I said, but you can also charge 7.5 watts and 5 watts as well. And this is from Belkin. Here's some more quick details. They have different colors that you can get. This one is the black version. They have 4 different colors. And then you can pause the video anytime to look at those details. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.